In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook post. Now, for us to get this done, let's go ahead and try to add a post here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just type like 3 dots. And what I'm going to do is click this one right here. The privacy has to be in public. Everybody should be able to see it, not just friends and friends accept. So I'm going to tap the done button here and then click the next. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and click the share button here. All right, there you go. So now that we have added it, I'm just going to open this post right here and I'm going to tap this 3 dots and you should be able to see here an option that says who can comment on your post. Take note that you will not be able to see this one unless the post itself is public. So from this point forward, go ahead and tap that over there, and then what you're going to do is just choose profiles and pages you mentioned. You won't be able to see these ones right here, otherwise these people should be or will still be able to comment. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tap the done button right here, and if you're going to refresh, you should be able to see this one right here. So you're allowing profiles and pages you mentioned to comment in this post. But what you're going to do is that you're never going to mention profiles or pages. That way, nobody else will be able to make a comment here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.